Christmas is the season for love. According to Dr. Chapman, there are 5 ways to express your love to others. These are the words of affirmation, quality time, receiving gifts, physical touch, and acts of service. For you, what is love language?
For us, love language is showing your love to the people you love.
Yung romance na ganyan.
What you show to your partner and how they will react to it.
What is your love language?
I have a boyfriend. Ako, personally, gusto kong nare-receive sa kanya yung word of affirmation. For my family, gusto ko naman yung quality time. Since yung dad ko kasi nag-work siya sa other country, pag umuwi siya dito, gusto ko, yan, nag-shopping kami, pa-family gathering lagi.
I would say my love language is receiving gifts and quality time with the group.
How do you express your love language?
As a girlfriend, ako rin, gusto kong ibigay din sa kanya yung word of affirmation na hindi niya hinihingi. Kumbaga, kusa akong binibigay. Sa boyfriend ko po, since may work siya, cooking talaga. Pag babaunan ko siya, yan, sinusulatan ko pa yun. And sa family ko naman po, since kakauwi lang ulit ng dad ko, yan, sinulatan ko siya ng welcome home dad, cooking, quality time.
And there are a lot of things or actions that you can show your love to your loved one by cooking food for them or hugging and kissing them in the morning when you wake up and before you go to bed.
Spending time together. Each other favorite.
Share your story and be part of our community. Download the AsianLink.ai app and be an Asian linker.